What if one decision today rewrites your retirement tomorrow? This is to show pensioners and pre-pensioners that it is never too late to change your financial situation and to create the life that you have always dreamed of. For a long time, I thought my best years were behind me and my pension wasn't sufficient for me to live the comfortable life that I'm used to. That is why I started my online business to enable me to supplement my pension. I started my online business and all I need to do is work 2 hours a day. I earn in dollars and I make 100% profit. This way, I'm able to retire comfortably and I do not need to worry about my future any longer. I went from being stuck and limited to being in control and knowing that I made the right decision by starting my online business. I now feel hopeful again and know that I made the right decision to start my online business. So if you are ready to also start an online business and improve your pension fund, why don't you comment pension below, and I would love to send you a free copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint that helped me to get to where I am.